Welcome back. Lately I've been really wanting to get some more ryosangata style pieces that are a little bit more wintry for the colder months because it's getting super duper cold everywhere. So I did another order with Tokyo Kawaii Life, the Liz Lisa official store. I think it's my third time doing an order with Tokyo Kawaii Life. I've been seeing lots of people that I follow buying new Liz Lisa pieces and I'm so jealous because they're so pretty, and I've been really wanting some more elegant hua Liz Lisa pieces myself, so I thought I would put in an order ASAP. So that's what I'm going to be opening today. I got 4 pieces in total, 2 tops and 2 bottoms, and that's it. That is the entirety. Probably the most I bought from them to date. I really sealed this box tightly. Let's get the first one. It's the jumper that I bought. This one is the kind of off-the-shoulder strap jumper. I just really like this like off-the-shoulder style jumper. I think it's super flattering to show like a bit of shoulder. It's so pretty. Wow, so cute. This part, the cabling has sort of chiffon-y fabric inside the cables, which I've never seen before. That's so cool. And these bows are so delicate and pretty. And these big heart imitation buckles are very beautiful as well. And it's like not super low hanging, it's quite high, but you still get your collarbones and shoulders out, which is nice. Down the sleeve looks like that. Wow. It feels ultra comfy and it's very like short, so it would look good with like skirts and stuff and shorts. Maybe even like a JSK potentially over the top of it. Little hearts inside the legs. Wow. The back is very plain, but it's very cute anyway. Yeah, I really wanted more jumpers that, not boring jumpers, really cute, interesting jumpers that have a lot going on, like really cute embroidery and little adornments of gemstones and stuff. And even the seam here, even the edge is like scalloped. It's so cute. Okay, it's the other top. This is another top I bought for my Mizuiro loving self. I'm actually actively trying to wear more pink because I feel like I ignored pink for a long time in my life, but I do feel like I can wear pink and it's not as egregiously unflattering as I thought it would be, so I'm trying to wear more pink. However, Mizuiro still has a grip on me, so this blue in particular is very grey. So this is another top that I bought and it's like a cardigan top hybrid. It's so beautiful and so dainty and fancy. I really loved it upon first sight. It's so pretty, so crazy. Look at that. So beautiful. It feels so soft to the touch as well. And this colour is really nice. I love sort of grey blue, dusty baby blue, eggshell blue, I don't know. It's even spread to the lace as well. It's the same colour, this like grey tone blue. I just really like it. I love grey. I love grey mixed with more of cool tone, cool shade. I'm fascinated how they made frills from the kind of cardigan woolly fabric. It's so cool, and it's got loads of little applique hearts on it, so yay. So pretty. Next I guess will be the bottoms, but which one? Wow, okay, she's a lot prettier than I expected it to be. So this is a pink kind of skirt that has what are they called? Slacks. That's for the back. So this is the kind of back panel with these buckles. They're so cute. Are you joking? Are you joking? And the shoulders have lace and frills on them to accentuate your shoulder shape. And this skirt is so gorgeous. It's a really nice tiered pink skirt, and I just thought, wow, I would never usually buy the pink colorway of such an item, so I thought I would try. It's so pretty, it's so cute, and I just love all the layers and all the lace. It's so gorgeous. And these buttons are a bit strange, something about them, like these little sort of extensions. Yeah, they're quite interesting, but I don't know how I feel about them. And it has a humongous bow at the back. Wow. You can adjust the length of the skirt's slacks. It's so pretty, gosh. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited to wear it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just These ribbons have little heart charms dangling off the end. I just love such extravagant items. I really do. I love little additions. I think it's so nice, and even lace on the edge here. I don't know, I just love all the little details. I think Liz Lisa is such a great Rosangata brand, truly. And all the things I have from there are great. I just love all the little adornments and decorations that they put on every piece. And finally we have the last skirt, which is Mizuiro. This one is a super princessy style skirt. I love it. I love it so much. I love how it's so tiered like that, and the variations in pattern on this lace too. It's similar to the other one in that these two bows go down the side. These two ribbons go down the side, and then at the end the ribbons are adorned with these little heart charms. Big crystals. I prefer this style to this style. I have to say, this one's a bit funny, but it's still cute. It makes a little jingling. Yay! So gorgeous! And this too has a big bow at the back, like so. So you can tie it up, or like leave it undone, I guess. But I think you can tie it up both ways. And it has a generous amount of stretchy shearing at the back. I think most of their pieces are like 3 sizes, but they will have ways to adjust it. Unfortunately, not very inclusive, doesn't probably actually fit a lot of sizes. So typical, but at least, you know, there's some stretch, which definitely helps me. So oh, sorry. Let's try everything on. I have quite big shoulders, so I feel like it is not meant to be like stretching these things so much, but you know, it's fine. These are uneven. These are so unnecessary, but so cute. It also came with this bow that I've tentatively attached here, right in the middle. I think that's where it's meant to go. I'm really glad I chose this colorway because I normally never would, but I think it really really like looks good. It's very flattering, like this dusty pink color. It's so cute. I love it so much. I also wanted to take this opportunity to announce that I'm going back to Japan for a whole month again in December. And since all I'm really doing at the moment is working and saving up, I haven't really been up to all that much, so this may be my last video of the year, unless I put something out in that 1 week that I'm in Japan in December, but I don't think I will. So yeah, I think this unboxing is the last special event before I go to Japan, because I will just be working. So my birthday is coming up in December too, and I wanted to do something for that before I go to Japan, but I just don't have the time because of work and money and everything else. Yeah, but my actual birthday day will be in Japan, so I'll see you there. Of course, I will be filming while I'm there, sort of on and off filming, because it's going to be quite a tumultuous journey for me, since it'll be my first time seeing Bakuchiku in their new form, as it were. So I'm quite scared and quite nervous, but I'm looking forward to it. I've been really avoiding focusing on the sort of hole in my life that Bakuchiku have sadly left, but yeah, I think I'm ready to go back to my fish tank. If this is the last you'll see of me until 2025, then I wish you a happy new year, and thank you ever so much for watching me consistently take L's, be stupid, be annoying, and have the shakiest camera work known to man. Thank you, 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 thank you. I'll see you next year, probably, unless but I probably will see you next year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.